Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question number 21 of HackerRank SQL challenge, which is advanced select. So let's discuss the problem. Pivot the occupation column in occupations so that each name is sorted alphabetically and displayed underneath its corresponding occupation. The output column headers should be doctor, professor, singer, and actor, respectively. Note print null when there are no more such names corresponding to an occupation. Input format. The occupation table is described as follows. Column type. So basically we have an occupations table in which there are two columns, name and occupation. Here we can see that. And we have to transform this data by row into column. So we have to convert this row into four different columns in the order doctor, professor, singer, and actor. And in the corresponding column, we have to add values for the corresponding name for each occupation. For example, in the answer, we can see that in the first row, Jenny, Samantha, these two names are for the occupation doctor, and these two names are in alphabetical order. And since there are only two names for doctor, 1 and 2, and there is no third name is available, so here null is printed. And I hope you have understood the question that print null when there are no more such names, because we can see that in the in the column for actor and professor and actor, three names are available. So this is printed, and that for the occupation doctor and singer, there are only two names, so in the third row null is printed. And I hope you have understood the question. Now let's try to solve the query. So we will select max case when occupation equal to doctor, patient equal to doctor, equal to doctor, then name int as doctor. I will copy this 2-3 times again. So here I want professor, and here also I'm just replacing the name. So I will write singer here, and the last one is actor. And now from, we will use the from statement, and here I will write the subquery from select name comma occupation. I will use a function row number. This function will give the row number, and by grouping the occupation into, by grouping each for occupation. And here we want the partition, we want to group the data by occupation. So here we will use partition by occupation, and we want the name to be ordered by alphabetical order by name, order by name as, and we will as row num, and from, and now we will give the table name occupations, occupations, and I will give the name to this subquery simple as subquery. And now I will just group by row num and order by row num. By row num. Now let's see the code. Now let's try to run the code. 1 minute. Okay. first and post करेंगे build. So there is a mistake. I have kept an extra space in the name, and I hope the error will be resolved. And also line 3 case. Now let's try again. Try to run the code. I'm just copy. I want to just copy paste the answer that I have written earlier. So to save the time of the video, and now let's try to run the code. And here we can see that our answer is right. And now let's again try to understand the solution. So we have using the select statement, and for each occupation we want a corresponding name. And what we are doing is we are grouping this the data according to occupation, and we will order this by the name, and this row number will give the name, and row number as 1 2 3 to each rows, and we want the grouping by row number and order by row number ascending. And here we can see that our answer is right. And thank you for watching this video.